Wow.
Deja vu, I've just been in this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to go. Calling you, and the surface of mystery. Standing on my feet, it's so hard.
Ay, wala na pala ako mainom. Paano to? Tatakbo ba ako? Isa pa, pwede ba to? Oh.
Hala, napano siya? Nakapikit na siya. Anong gagawin natin? Hoy! Gising! Gising! Hala, paano tayo hingin ng tulong? Oo nga, paano tayo hingin ng tulong? Sigaw tayo! Tulong! Hala, wala tayong darating na tulong. Anong gagawin natin?
Over naman sa suffocation. Umalis nga kayo dyan para may airway siya.
D. For danger. Check for any dangers to yourself, the patient, and others.
Ililipat ba natin siya?
Check the surroundings. Observe the external factors. Hindi na kasi open area naman to eh. Hindi naman makakapagod sa kanya.
Next is R. For response. Check if the person is responsive.
Kuya, ano pong pangalan nyo? Kuya? 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 Wala, hindi siya sumasagot. Unconscious siya.
Send for help is the third step. Call for emergency services immediately.
Humingi na tayo ng tulong sa hospital.
Hala, hindi ko alam yung number ng ospital.
Ako alam ko. Wait lang.
Hala, bilis! Bilis! Bilis!
Teka lang. Maging kalmado nga tayo. Huwag tayo magpanik kasi mas makakalala lang sa kondisyon niya. Kalma lang. Hello? 911? Nandito po kami sa New Clark City. May nahimatay po.
Now, let's move on to airway. Ensure the person's airway is clear.
Alam niyo ba yung DRS-ABC?
Oo, nag-aaral ako sa PE kanina.
Airway na tayo, so titingnan natin kung humihinga pa siya. Dapat maluwang yung damit niya. Pwede na siguro yan, maluwang naman eh.
Breathing is the next step. Look, listen, and feel for breathing.
Mainit, humihinga pa siya. Tsaka gumagalaw yung tiyan niya oh.
C. For CPR. Perform CPR by giving chest compressions and rescue breaths. You will only do this once a person does not breathe or is unresponsive.
Need ba natin siyang i-CPR?
Hoy, ako na!
Uy, hindi. Huwag natin siya i-CPR. Huminga pa naman siya eh. Kaya di natin need i-CPR. I-CPR lang natin pag unresponsive siya or kaya wala siyang panghinga. Di ba tinry natin kanina kung humihinga siya?
Ayun, may ambulansya na. Mabuti na lang may alam tayo sa DRS-ABC. Kundi baka lumala pa kalagayan, kuya.
Kaya nga eh. Salamat din sa tulong ng naka-black.
Oo nga eh. Buti na lang nandun din siya.
Kinabahan ako dun ah.
Ako nga rin eh.
The final step is defibrillation. Use an automated external defibrillator if available. Gagawin lang ito, procedure na ito, kung unresponsive pa rin ang pasyente once na-CPR na ito. And that is how you perform the DRS-ABC action plan. Always stay calm and follow these steps to give someone the best chance of survival. Thank you for watching.
To provide additional information, here are the things to remember. Number 1. Stay calm when encountering such situations in order to think rationally. Number 2. Do not move the patient unless necessary to avoid further injuries. Number 3. Take note of emergency hotlines to hasten the gathering of authorities' help. And number 4. Do 100 to 130 compressions on the patient's sternum if needed. However, if you do not know how to properly do it, always remember that a bad CPR is still better than doing nothing. Goodbye!